Hello everybody, this is Japhet from the Arc of Trading, back at it with the daily top 10 for today, Friday, January 29th. Next week is going to be a new month, so hopefully there are better outlooks on that one. But for now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and hit that thumbs up if you haven't done so already. But yeah, I make daily videos for technical analysis on the trending stocks, and I also put up tutorial videos every weekend, so watch out for that. Last one I uploaded, I taught you guys how to chart support and resistances and identify those key levels. But yes, for today's trending stocks, let's get right into it. So let's look at the market summary for today. Today you might have seen the drop off on the points. We're down quite a lot, and that is mainly due to the foreign net selling, the foreign net. So basically they were more selling today at negative 3.13 billion pesos, and all of our sectors are down. So we definitely saw a lot of foreign investors coming out of the market, and we can see that in the PSE chart for today. We are down 239 points, negative 3% for the whole market, and we broke below this resistance where we were finding support, hopefully, but we closed right below that. We're at 6,600 points, and it's just been a red market today, a red day. So all the blue chips are down, and we have a few that are up. If we check all the stocks, we have a few that are up today. So yeah, those are most of the trending stocks today that were up. And if you were watching, yeah, today it was tough for the rest of the market, but we definitely had some that were bouncing up and even ended on a green day. So yeah, we are down 3 billion foreign investors and down 200 points. So yeah, let's get right on our first stock, which is ACEN. Let's look at what we have here. So we are definitely holding this consolidation here that we have drawn since the beginning of the week. We definitely have this downtrend drawn, and we saw that today it tested the downtrend, did not break it just yet. And if we go down to our 1 hour chart, it's still holding this downtrend, but we see this small candle slightly crossing that line. So we shall see on Monday what will happen, but definitely this downtrend is trying to be tested and broken. So yeah, but at best right now we are holding this consolidation phase before hopefully seeing a rally on the upside. We still have this how do you call this, range of resistance right here at around, how much is this, 6 or 7 pesos. So yeah, but immediate support acting as resistance is at 6.5. So watching out for that. If it does break on Monday, we might be seeing a break of this downtrend as well. So yeah, we have once, twice, 3 times touched it for the 4th time, and let's see what happens on Monday for this one. But yeah, at best right now it's ranging sideways. Hopefully with the SRO done, a lot of people bought in right here, right at that point. A lot of people caught it, and we have the same level right here that it was rejected at. So we're looking at this as a potential support where it holds, where people are very interested in buying. And come Monday, despite the market being down 200 points, we might be seeing ACEN if not retest this level before consolidating further. So yes, that's for ACEN. Up next we have BSC, where we also saw this support level being respected right now. but this is still holding. The downtrend is still holding. If you count the wicks, you know, it's still holding. I think it got rejected right up here, and the price went back in and settled around this support level. The daily support level is still holding after this bounce. Might have been rejected on the upside, but yeah, it's still holding this downtrend. Be careful with this one. Resistance still intact. At best, we might have consolidation right around this area right here. So yes, we shall watch and see what happens for this one, but definitely consolidating on this level from 1 peso to around 1.3. And the bias is still downtrend because we have this downtrend still holding that. We haven't seen a price reversal just yet. So up next we have APL, who is also, yes, as we have charted yesterday, it might just respect this consolidation phase area, and hopefully it holds. The price holds hopefully above 0.17 if we want this range to be respected, and then hopefully, you know, in the future seeing like a break above on this support, so that, you know, we could keep looking at this as an uptrend and still going strong. But for now, definitely trying to build a base right here, so watch out for that. And if you're accumulating, these areas are great for that. So up next we have DITO, who ended on a positive note even with the net foreign buying negative today, but we ended up still, you know, finishing above this candle right there. So this candle is still finishing above this support level. Definitely held up right here, bounced up on this previous support level, and we might be looking at a break soon. So might go on a break for this one. Let's see what happens. We have negative foreign buying, and I forgot to mention APL, I think, also has had net foreign buying today, and with ACEN we had 119 million. Sorry, I forgot to mention those. And BSC also has negative 3 million. And for DITO, we see the same. Only ACEN and APL had positive net foreign buying for our, and for DITO, it's still holding that support level, so it's still trying to gain that strength to go back up. But definitely people are trading this, and you know, it's still on a process of indecision, trying to decide whether to go up or break down. But for now, it's holding this support level, so we could see either a break above or a breakdown and retest of this support level. We shall see on Monday. So up next we have PHA, where we see 2 million net foreign buying as well. So we are holding this support, the 4H support, the daily support, but unfortunately we might still be seeing more of its downtrend right here on the 4H time frame. And if we go to the hourly to get more context, yeah, it's still holding that downtrend right here. If it's not this one, it might be this. Yeah, it might just retest this and then let's see what happens. But it could get rejected right there before rallying up. But yeah, we shall see on the 4-hour time frame. It might just maintain this consolidation phase because there's a lot of people watching this at around 1.8 level. So in this gap acting as support. So we shall see where people, you know, decide to go with this one. So on our next one, we have MM. Let's look at MM. We have MM with Wow, why is it not loading right away? My internet connection is slow, I think. But yeah, has positive foreign buying, 1 million. But yeah, it definitely broke through our daily support right here, and it's still acting as resistance, but it's still finding support on this resistance from before at 6.4. So but it definitely broke below this consolidation area, broke below, retested that, acted as resistance, finally closed below that support level. So we might see this support level hold up. If not, we might break below and have these levels tested at 6.1, or we could have a bounce right here and maybe just see a bigger range. So yes, that's what we have for now. We have a positive foreign buying though, so that's good news. But with the market situation, let's see what happens. Up next we have AR. What is happening to my internet connection today, huh? Yeah, AR is still favoring that downtrend. If we are to connect more points, 1, 2, 3, 4 now, it's still respecting that, but the support is still there, still holding. So we shall see what happens to this one. At best, this is ranging within this price, this area right here. So yeah, maybe it's gonna range within this zone right there. So up next we have tech. Let's see where tech takes us. It's still definitely on a big range. Wow. Okay, it has been a while since I last looked at this one. So let's reset with our chart. Definitely seeing a bigger support range right here now. Yeah, we're seeing that being respected. That's our bigger support area, if you ask me. Maybe let's move it up there. Yeah, if you ask me, that's a bigger support area now, and we have this resistance right here from before that it broke above, but it did not settle up there and definitely pull back the entire way, but found support again on this level, and thus we're seeing an upward movement right here. So we might be seeing a test of this resistance from here at 7.75. So we're looking at that resistance level once again for tech, but definitely if it breaks above this immediate resistance right here and settled below, we could be looking, to break this resistance levels in the future. But we have seen negative net foreign buying, although it was up 4% today. But yeah, definitely watching out for that foreign selling. Up next we have LIHC, a newcomer on the daily top 10. Wow, what a big candle that they made this thing do. So yeah, we have a resistance level right here, but it has turned support for this area right here, became support. Let's plot our resistances as well right here. So it just went on a big range, but this time, this one definitely tried breaking above the resistance. So on the daily time frame, we haven't seen a candle close above the resistance, so this could just be a false breakout. Maybe could break back in and build a support level right here at some point, but we shall see. Or it could just retest this resistance, build a support there, and hopefully the price settles somewhere up there. But definitely still ranging. We haven't had a confirmed candle above the daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame resistance, and it's still holding. For all we know, we could break back in, but with the amount of people coming into this stock, the 4K trades today, and we went up from 0.92 to 1.39. Wow, that's a huge move for LAHC. And let's go back to PSEI as we close this video. Just a reiteration, we saw a 200 point down today. It pierced through this gap that we've seen here, so at least the gap has been filled, but it pierced through that, so we are not finding support on this one. We might have a retest of this level. Hopefully that holds. The previous resistance hopefully becomes a support now. This is not good news if it breaks below 6,500 points as well, and we might be seeing hopefully consolidate somewhere, maybe here, hopefully in 6,500 points, 6-7 points. And yeah, let's just keep our eyes open with the market going down like this. More people might just be on the sidelines and watching. So yeah, be vigilant out there. And this is for me today for the daily top 10. I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead. Get some rest and watch out for the videos coming up, the tutorials coming up. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. Helps a lot. And I'll see you guys next week on Monday for the daily top 10 again. But yeah, for now, remember to stay patient, be disciplined, and strive to be consistent with your trading. So yeah, have a great weekend, everybody.